today I'll be taking you guys with me to the streets of Port Harcourt, and I'll be showing you some very delicious delicacies, local delicacies. And one of the first thing I'd like to show you is our Port Harcourt puff puff, buns and puff puff. Like, if you're in Port Harcourt and you haven't seen this Port Harcourt puff puff, then guys, I don't know where you have been, because they sell it like every how many miles? Every 10 miles you see a kiosk of people selling buns, puff puff. They fry it on the road, they mix everything. You're seeing them how they make it, and they make it very fresh, and when you eat it, it's very soft and hot. So I'll take you to one of the kiosks where they make Port Harcourt puff puff and buns. And these guys are like literally the best in town, guys. So let's just get going. This is how it is made. Basically, they just bring the dough from it's already made. Everything is made fresh here, so it's not like overnight something. This is freshly made. They put the dough into the hot oil and let the buns, let the buns and puff puff get brown. Once it's brown, it's going to be like that, the way it is over there. It's really, really delicious, guys. Like, these guys are doing a great job. And the location is actually at it's a place called Location Junction here in Port Harcourt, close to Bobby Filling Station. This is the landmark. Bobby Filling Station is the landmark, and you could see here used to be very crowded. This place used to be like very crowded, but because of the whole coronavirus crisis, it's now a little bit less crowded. But very delicious, guys. Guys, there's some peppers in there, like little peppers. Whoa! They actually said they added honey, so it's very healthy and delicious. No sugar. They use honey and pepper and dough. This is so delicious. Looks good. Whoa. Nice. Whoa. So guys, this is it. Whoa. Yeah.
That's how we roll.
Yeah, that's how you roll, guys. Guys, I want this hot one. This one and that one. The puff and the buns. I hope so you put Jara for me.
Very well.
Guys, this thing is so sweet. Like, I can't even wait to test it. So, yeah. Can't wait to eat it. Thank you so much. You guys were really nice. Thank you. Bye. Bye. Thank you. So guys, like this buns, I can't wait to test it. If you're here, you need to stop by at Location Junction and try this delicious buns. You're going to see it everywhere, but trust me, these people, their own is like top notch. It's the best here. Like, that's why I can drive like 2 miles, 10 miles, whatever miles it takes just to come down here to grab this buns. So guys, we're at our second location here at Ileka here in Port Harcourt. This whole place, they have like lots of bole shops, but we're going to the particular one that I think you would like. It's really sweet and delish. So we're going to one of the bole shops here. I don't really know which one to go for now, but there are a lot of them. There are like variety of stuff. So if you're in Port Harcourt, you also need to check out this place. Let's go. Let's go check it. No, not go for mommy. So this is how it looks. And look over they sell them plenty. I see where they sell them plenty. This is another one. Are you sure we will not still drive forward? Are you sure we will not drive forward? Yeah? See anything? How do you see the bole? It's delicious. Someone has come here before, right? For this same thing. One girl come here. That's what I see for YouTube. Okay. So guys, we're here at the bole shop. Hi. Sorry, I'm so sorry.
Please, can you sanitize your hand first?
Oh, sure.
Thank you.
Sure. We have to sanitize our hands. When you finish, you hold this. Let me sanitize my hands. Hold it. Come on, we do the fish. Mommy, I won't buy for you. So check it out.
No problem.
Check.
Are you on YouTube?
Yeah, you're on YouTube. Check for trauma ball.
You okay?
Great.
Oh, I'll do that. They're YouTubers as well. Mommy, are you serious? You used to hear Igbo?
Oh, I know ya.
Oh, which one they hear? So guys, this is the fish. Which one? I don't know.
700, 800, 1000.
And I use transfer a big card.
Transfer POS card.
Okay. Linda, which one do you want? The head is like, I heard the head is delicious. Yeah. I don't know which
So
one.
don't worry, I shall talking and let me consult that the person they know the person.
Okay, mommy, which one do you think is the best?
Okay, the best one is the crocker is the best.
No, I don't like crocker. I like this one.
Okay, like this one. Okay, like this one. Which one do you want?
The tail, I be the head. Which one?
No,
I
all of
prefer
them are good. Anyway, I like a cat.
The head, they go late.
The head is 500. 500, the tail is 700. This one 1,000.
Now give us the one.
Tail, 1,000.
No, it says 700, Nana.
700. It's 700 now.
Yeah, one is okay. Then plantain.
200, 250.
Give us ripe one. Which one ripe?
My brother, sir.
Yeah, then yam. Maybe
Sir, please,
the
give
yam.
me. Sir, give my brother.
Take it, right? Foil. So guys, this is how they do it. They just roast it with pepper, oil. It's really delicious, guys. Like if you're in Port Harcourt and you have not tasted bole, just come to Ileka.
If you never tasted the Choma ball,
come to Choma bole.
You never tasted the Choma ball.
This is the headquarter of bole in Port Harcourt. So do well to come and try it out. You would love it. And yeah, they just have to heat it up here. When they heat it and they put some.
We fit get for you here. Pepper no do. Manageable, no onion. Let me enter na
It's very funny.
Only one finger.
Hey, what's up? I'm wearing a face there.
She gonna have to.
What's up? No, jump on that. No.
Why?
Just sanitize your hands.
Alright. And I welcome.
Oga Batman.
Chukwu, you can't serve them now.
Okay, Chairman. How many plantain? Like 11 or 12?
You stay above. Let me help you. Let me help you bring out the money.
Give her a servant. Give her a servant to look in her hand.
Bring some come on.
Thank you, mommy.
I go look straight for woman back.
I don't greet every woman today because
They fall your hand.
You know the woman you want. I know resemble woman.
my sister is
I know resemble woman.
no, you don't know.
This woman knows her carry.
Maru, I'll help you draw this thing. No bad.
Now we need some nice.
Come in.
Nani?
One.
Small.
7 or
Guys, they even take POS, like it's so legit. This is real business. You see the POS to tell you that this is no joke. Like they are really into business. So if you don't have cash, you can even come with your card and pay through POS. And yeah, you got your receipt. Thank you so much, mommy. Thank you so much. Bye. See you guys. Bye, guys. Stella Sylvester. Yeah. SYLVESTER. Thank you so much. Mommy, bye. 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 Yeah, I'm leaving. Bye. I'm done. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. You're not in it, I promise. Yeah. Okay, continue. So guys, we're done. We just finished buying the bullet. So go home and eat it with my family. I can't finish this, so don't think I'm going to eat this alone. I have like a lot of friends. I might even show you them. We're going to eat this together and it's really nice, guys. Let's get going. It's already getting late.